Seems like Tops was the place to go today because between my couponing and the promotions that were going, I bought $108 worth of food. But I didn't pay $108 of food. I got, let's look at the grand total here. We have got, before any promotions, it's 108. Let me see if we can get a better shot of that. 108.42. And my total I paid, if you can see that, $50.63. So I'm actually hitting less than half price, which I'm always shooting for. And for $50, it bought me enough chips for the next couple months. 3 nice DiGiorno pizzas. I was buy 2 get 1 free coupon, and 2 for $10. Enough kibasi there to float up the freezer for several months. Got some chicken and sausage and pepperoni and Little Franks, and this is a Super Bowl Sunday weekend, so it's all these little snack foods that are on sale that normally don't. But there you go, $108 worth of groceries, and I paid $50. So couponing works. Tops was the place to go this week, and I just wanted to share.